I'm sorry. So it's really over then?
He said he knew it was wrong from the start.
For a whole year?
I know, right? How do you do that to someone?
I knew it. I never liked that depressive asshole.
I don't know what to do. Come on inside.
You just lose yourself to these men for long periods of time only to get hurt in the end.
So I should just be a slut?
Well, maybe, but then you'd have genital warts like Astrid.
Ew.
Or you could stop being a chameleon. Stop changing to placate the men in your life.
Yeah, I know I do that.
It's not attractive and you only get hurt.
I know I do.
You should work on your artwork. Stop working on that piece of shit Frederick was having you do.
Thanks.
Claire, it's dumb. It's not something you do. I know that. You're 10 times the artist he is.
I don't know anymore. Let's stop talking about it, okay? I'm getting a wine headache.
Just take 3 months, focus on your artwork. No dating, go on a manifest.
It would be nice not to think about it all the time, you know?
3 months. It'll be Christmas. It'll be like a Christmas gift to yourself.
Yeah, I know you're right. Besides, I can start working on that commission. The exhibit's in 3 months.
Right. Wait, commission? Is that the show at Jackson and Peggy's?
No, I'm not doing that anymore. I got commissioned to do a piece for that new building downtown. A bunch of us did.
That's great.
It's money guaranteed. A gallery would be nice, but no one's really buying portraiture.
All I know is you're here to paint and let others see your work. Listen, I love you, but I gotta run. Should I come over tonight?
Okay. No, you know, that's okay.
Okay. Well, feel better. Oh, and don't forget to talk to Jackson and Peggy about letting me have your spot at the Met.
All right, love you too. Bye. Thanks for going on an adventure with me.
Don't mention it. How's today?
Today's good.
Good.
I'm really looking forward to being single. Not just like single, but monastically single, like a monk.
Remember, just focus on you. You. Me.
I know what this building needs.
What?
Me.
What?
Come on. Take pictures.
What?
Take pictures.
Sure. Right.
Smile.
Huh?
Smile for the camera.
Where? How did you get in here?
I have a pass.
Who are you?
I'm one of the artists hired to do commission work for this building.
Oh, right. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just here to get some photos. Who are you?
Yeah, I'm the architect.
Really?
Yes.
Wow, this building is beautiful.
Thank you. I'm very proud.
You should be.
Claire! Claire!
I mean, it's a little more modern than postmodern, but it's still organic. It breathes. Has a flow.
Yeah.
Sorry, that was really pretentious.
No, please don't stop.
I think I heard it in a movie once.
Don't be sorry. I just from the draft, but now I know it's just my building breathing.
Nice.
No, really. I'm impressed. And thanks for noticing that it breathes. Seriously.
Run away! Good looking man, your bow, remember?
What? Are you Claire?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember seeing the materials you sent in. Yeah, and your website. Everybody really loved your stuff.
Really?
Yeah. They thought it really breathed with this organic flow. No, seriously, it was quite beautiful.
Thank you.
Excuse me, but you know that woman?
Yeah, she's a friend of mine.
Is she epileptic?
No. Probably just concerned.
Right.
Run away! Run away! Fuck it.
Listen, I should probably go.
Claire, it was a pleasure meeting you.
Likewise, architect.
I'm sure we'll see each other again soon.
Yeah. Bye.